Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Aaraf, وَكَتَبْنَا لَهُ فِي الْأَلْوَاحِ مِنْ كُلِّ شَيْءٍ مَوْعِظَةً وَتَفْصِيلًا لِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ فَخُذْهَا بِقُوَّةٍ وَأْمُرْ قَوْمَكَ يَأْخُذُوا بِأَحْسَنِهَا سأريكم دار الفاسقين. Translation. And we inscribed divine laws and advice for him on tablets for matters of all kind, and clear instructions and explanation about everything, and told him, so take and hold them with firmness, and order your people to follow the best ways in it as made clear. I shall soon show you the homes of the disobedient, evil, liars, and fasiqs. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave Musa alayhi salam the guidance in written form, and these forms were the alwah, or the tablets in which the guidance were written. And some scholars say that the Torah, the Bible, was written on those tablets, and some say that these tablets mentioned here are other than Torah, and they were given before the Torah. Scholars have said that when Musa alayhi salam was not given the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as he requested to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, this gift of these tablets that had the guidance was to console Musa alayhi salam, and was a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so that Musa alayhi salam will be happy and encouraged. And these tablets had all kind of guidances and all kind of instructions, and the order was to hold these tablets firmly and follow these message firmly and carefully, and make sure that you don't leave these tablets physically, and also don't leave the message written in these tablets. Also advise your people to do the same with these tablets so that they can take care of them. Here the word ahsaniha mean that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has written nothing but ahsan, meaning the better advice and guidance. But also one meaning is that every guidance is a good guidance, is a hasan, but some instruction and guidance are even better than the other. For example, that if someone has transgressed, the transgressor has to be taken revenge, and this is allowed, and this is hasan. But if someone forgives the transgressor, this is even better, and this is ahsan than the one who is taking the revenge. So the guidance with this word ahsaniha, meaning that follow the best possible option for the sake of Allah's pleasure. And in the end it is mentioned that if you don't follow the instructions, your home will be the home of disobedient, evil, liars, and fasiqs. Like in the world, you will be destroyed and given punishment, and in the hereafter you will get the hellfire. Some scholars have said that in the end of this ayah there is a glad tidings to Bani Israel, that if you follow the instructions, you will be given the homes of these people of Egypt, or the people of Qibtis, meaning you will conquer them. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran, connect us with the truthful people, and make us steadfast rest on the straight path. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.